Bonjour, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre la leçon quatrième. So, this is the lesson Enchanté Zéro Livre, lesson number 4. D'accord? Let's do les nombres. Les nombres. Okay. Comptons, comptons ensemble. So, what is the meaning of comptons when you are saying, suppose, okay, see, these are the stars. Okay, and I'll tell you, okay, compte. And you are doing one, two, three. This is called compon. Okay, when you are doing one, two, three, four, like this. Suppose these are crayon, pencils, and you are doing, I tell you to count to one, two, three, four. What is this you are doing? You are one, two, three, four. This is compon. Compto ensemble. Ensemble is together, like collectively, okay? So, comptons ensemble de 0 à 20. So, 0 à, so this is from 0 till 10, okay? So, that is to 10, okay? Let's see. 0, okay? This has a sound, that's why I'm pronouncing 0, 1, 2, please pronounce it after me. 3, trois. In the last class, I told you OI has OA sound. Okay? So that's why OA. Quatre. Quatre. Cinq. Six. Sept. Huit. Neuf. Dix. Right? One more time. Zero. Just see this. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Okay? Now, students, close your eyes and say it after me and just draw it in your imagination. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now pause the video. Write down in your write down in your notebook from 0 a 20. Just write it down. Okay, just pause the video here. Right? And then check it by looking at them. Just check it. Now, whatever is wrong, just circle it, mark it, and learn it. Okay, fine. And here, this is the page numero 37. 37. Okay, this we have already done when I was teaching you, telling you the page number side by side, na? So we did it. Let's do owns, do's, OU, who sound, do's, 13, 14, 14, cans, cans, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, one more time. Onze, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. D'accord? Close your eyes now. Ons. Can you see ons? Just draw in your imagination. 12, Tras, quatorze, quinze, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now again pause, write down in your notebook, and then check it. Okay, fine. This is page numero 38. 38. Next, I have told you already compto. Let's compto. Okay, compto. Voici. Okay, when you have this word, voici. So voici, you will say, suppose at my side there are pens. Okay, then I'll say voici, voici, stilo, whatever. So when you want to say यहाँ पर ये है, here it is, voici. Okay, and when it is far away, a little far, then you will say voila. Voila, otherwise used in many contexts, but it is used like voici, voila. See, this person is saying voici means these are voici with stilo. Okay, voici with stilo. This person is saying to this person, voici with stilo. Now he is replying, no, voila, douze stilo. It is saying with, this is saying no, voila, douze stilo. Comptons, let's comptons. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze. Now this person again compto, right? And what he said? Oh, we. Yes, you are right. Oh, we. Okay, this is yes. Okay, now we have to do this. Students, you will do this exercise by yourself. Pause this, do it by yourself, and then do the correction along with me, right? Now, see, uh, when you are counting, I have seen some students are doing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is 10 in French? These. Don't do this. Compo means like this. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 et 15. Voici, sorry, 15 crayons. Okay? Voici feel. Now, what is feel? They are feel. Okay? See the picture? Suppose Rita, Sita, Geeta. So, all these are feel. Okay, this is a new vocab. Just learn it. Feel. Okay? Voici un, deux, trois. Trois feel. Right? Now, these are sorry. These are feel, and these are garson. Ram, Sham, okay, Mohan, right? A, Rahul. Okay, now these are garçons. Un, deux, trois, quatre. Quatre garçons. See, feel. And what is the opposite gender of feel? That is garçon. This is singular. If I want to say it in plural, then it is feel with S, garçon. Okay, now see, these are plural feel, plural garçon. Clear? Voiture we have already done in the previous class. This is voiture. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept. Voici cette voiture. Okay? And page numéro 39. Okay? Move to this. Okay, a small poem again. Let's revise one more time. Say with me. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf. Les nombres. Un, deux, trois. Salut, say moi. Now, what is say moi? When I want to say it's me, then in French you will say c'est moi. Okay? Repeat. Un, deux, trois. Salut, c'est moi. Okay? Quatre, cinq, six. Ça va, Maurice? Okay? Quatre, cinq, six. Ça va, Maurice? So, Maurice is a name of the person, and it is saying ça va. Okay, remember in the previous, like in, I think, first chapter we did, Comment ça va? It is the way to ask someone, how are you? But if you are asking someone, ça va, these are same. Okay, ça va, but the tone should be in the question form. Ça va? Okay, so in this way it is asking, ça va, Maurice? Sept, huit, neuf, dix, et toi, Iris? So, et toi means, and you. Okay, how are you? So I'm asking to other person, and you, et toi, Iris, super, Maurice. Okay, so you can ask like this, et toi. Okay, let's learn this. This is you can use in the conversation. Suppose I'm asking you. Okay, so mo, ça va or ça va. Okay, what you will say? So I am asking you. Okay, comment ça va? Reply me. Yes, very good. What you said? Ça va. There are many answers. Ça va super bien, anything. Ça va, merci. Ça va bien, anything. Okay. Now, ça va bien, merci. You said, now you wanna ask me. And you? Then how do you say? Et toi? Et toi? Now I have to respond. What I'll say? Moi? Moi? Okay, I'll say, ça va bien aussi. Ça va bien aussi. Ça va super bien. Okay, we will use ça va super bien. Okay, so you can use this conversation with your friends. Okay, Chi? Page numero 40. Okay? 40. Next, right? Let's do this. Okay. Shaz. Okay, I think this is new word for you. Uh, let's do this. I'll show you what is this, okay? Mm, So later on, just make a habit like that, okay? So you will search it by yourself. Shaz. See the picture. Shaz. Okay, this is Shaz. Right? Now see the picture and learn the gap. That's it. Shaz. Feel, we did it. Garçon. Glass, we already did in the first chapter. Livre. No. So you want to say no in French, it is no. You want to say opposite of no, that is oui. Okay, means yes, oui. Stilo, stilo. Okay, let's do one more time. Show you stilo. Okay, stilo. Like Parker, V7, like this. Okay, stilo. Voici, voila, already and voici, right? Les exercise. Again, students, you can pause, do the exercise by yourself, and then we can check it. Okay, écrivez. Écrivez, we have learned already. Écrivez les chiffres. Chiffre is a new word. What is chiffre? This is chiffre. These are known as chiffre in French. Okay, en lettres. So, lettres. Already chiffres are there. I have to écrivez in en lettres. Okay, like the, trois, right? Quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, Enough. These. Right? Just check it. So don't worry if you have done it wrong or want to wrong. No problem. Learn it. New language, then it's fine. Do mistakes and learn them. Then again, Comte, we have already know what is Comte and what is écrivain. Comte, écrivain. Let's Comte. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept. Voilà, sept glaces. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq. Voilà, cinq chaises. Un, deux, trois, quatre. Voilà, quatre livres. Okay, voilà, un garçon. Okay, now this is a word you can understand. Relier, this is relier. We were doing like that. Relier les colonnes. Colonne, I told you, these are the colonnes. Let's do. Uh, Crayon, trois livres, trois fils. Uh-oh, decided wrong. See, I also do mistakes, right? Six crayon. That's okay. We can the guys. So don't afraid of making errors. Okay? 42. 42. Right? Next. Calculate. Okay, calculate. It is the same like you can know. Calculate is 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3. Okay, calculate. Écrivez, les réponses comme dans l'exemple. Like example. See, 2 plus 3 égale 5. Let's do. 1 plus 16 égale 17. 4 fois, ok, 20. 4 fois 5. 4 fois 5, 20. Okay, students, so you can, like, if I commit any mistake, just let me know. This weight, this weight. Okay, 5. Right. Now what will come here? This week? Okay. Class, I think. Yeah, it's class and this is sang. Okay. Then sang news. Sang egal. Yes, tell me. Very good. These. Egal these. Okay. Desine. Oh, that is your work. So I'm not very good at drawing. Okay. This is your devoir. आपका homework. Okay, your homework. Devoir. Okay, please send me your drawings. Kiran Thua. You can send me in the comment box your drawings if you can like make it. I would love to see it because my drawing is not too good. So whenever my students really make it, I really love to see it. Okay. Écrivez les chiffres en lettres. Let's do one more time revision. Okay. Now you know the meaning of les chiffres, lettres. Okay. Zero, un, deux, trois. This is quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix, onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, 17, This wait. This enough. Wow. Okay. So this is the end of the lesson, and I hope it is useful for you. Please, students, like it, share my channel, subscribe to it, and help me in like teaching you more well. Okay, and yes, okay, but I want to give you one more tip here. uh okay, so whenever we are leaving the class, what I say, either I can say au revoir. Okay, like if I want to say you see you soon, how would you say? Bien, bientôt. Just you say it to your French teacher in the school or in the class. Make the habit while learning French. Do use such sentences or such phrases in French. Okay, please do subscribe, share the channel, and merci beaucoup. Au revoir.